In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chat on ClickUp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have chat enabled and know exactly where to find it so you can jump into real-time conversations without leaving your workspace. To start, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into the workspace where you want chat available. Make sure you're in the right workspace, especially if you switch between multiple accounts because features are enabled per workspace and your access can vary based on permissions. Once you're in, look for the waffle icon, the small grid made of dots that opens the app launcher. You'll typically find it near the main navigation, close to your sidebar or top bar, depending on your layout. Think of this as the gateway to everything you can add or manage in ClickUp. If your interface looks slightly different, that's normal. Admins can customize layouts, and ClickUp updates the UI from time to time. But the waffle icon is your cue. You're in the right spot. Open the launcher and choose Apps. This section gathers the tools and features that can be turned on or managed for your workspace. It's designed to keep things organized so you don't have to dig through settings. Inside Apps, use the search field to look for Chat. Typing just Chat should surface the official chat feature right away. This is the built-in ClickUp chat you want, not a third-party messaging tool. Searching first is the fastest way to get there, especially if your workspace has lots of features available. When you see chat, select it to enable the feature. You might see a toggle or an enable button. Turn it on. Some workspaces save changes automatically. Others may show a confirmation. If the option is grayed out, that usually means you need admin or owner permissions, so you'll want to ask a workspace admin to switch it on for everyone or for the relevant space. Once enabled, give the interface a brief moment to update so the new option appears. Now head back to your main workspace view and look at the left sidebar. You should see chat listed there. Click Chat to open it. This brings up your real-time messaging area inside ClickUp, keeping conversations tied to your work without juggling separate apps. That's it. You've opened ClickUp, used the waffle icon to access apps, searched for chat, enabled it, and then returned to the sidebar to open chat. With chat visible, you're ready to communicate with your team where the work actually happens. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, faster way to collaborate in ClickUp.